Hi YouTube, UK Lockpicker back with another video. Today's video I'm going to be trying to get into this BURG watcher. It's a Profi 116 PC50 and it's got a GeGe Pextra, GeGe Pextra in it. So works beautifully with a key. So let's see how we get on. Stay tuned. Right, straight in with the picking then, and crank the tension up on this for the better feedback. One's totally loose, 3, binding, that's it, fell into a little false set there, 1, each picking, still, one's picked, 2 come back up, 2's loose, 3, each picking, click, number 4, nothing, 5's loose. When I've got a little bit of springiness to a dead stop, which probably means that that one's stuck in countermilling. That was a set pin at 3. Number 1 I'm going to leave. 2. 2's getting picked. Picked. 1, 2, 3 needs picking still. 3's now picked. 4 picking him. 5 needs picking. He's picked. 6 fails picked. Let's just see if there's anything holding us up. 2, 1's done, 2 is, 3 is, 4 is, 5's binding. I had a couple reset there, but 5 went set. 6 set. So let's just see which one's reset. That was 2. 3's good. 4 as well. Something else is just reset as well. We've got 4. 5 went again. 6 feels okay. 1's good. 2 needs 7. 2's good. 3 is. 4. Someone else has reset. 1's loose. 2 is back up. Needs to go a bit further. Felt a little bit of give on the core there. 3, 4, 5, 6. We're just searching now for something that's stuck in counter milling, which is going to be 2, I think. 2's loose, 3 is. Four went again. 5, 6. 1's in. 2 isn't. A little bit of give on the core. 3, 4's good. 5 is. 6 is the last pin, I think. Something's come up. 1 is good. 2 come back up. Just give it a little nudge. 4, 5. 1's in. 2 come back up. You can. Lock's picked. Lights back on. So yeah, love picking GeGe locks. The tolerances are so high. So we're going to see if we can get this one gutted. Now I'll probably lock this back up. Shut it. Key retaining, I think. That's it. I need to get this out. I'm not too sure. This is another one. This is another lock that isn't mine. Let's just see if we take that Allen key out that it comes apart. If I can do it real quick before the wife absolutely kills us for being out in the shed for too long for picking locks. Oh. Hopefully I can cut it. I've got the right toolage. That's the one. That's it. Beautiful lock. I'd love to have one of these in my collection, to be honest with you, because you can put all sorts of different cores in there. But let's just sort myself the tree out. Just closer look at the key. That's it there. I think that little dot there is literally just for key control, to stop you duplicating keys. Let's just see how we can get this apart. Right, so first of all, let's just get a better angle. 3, go 4. One, 2, 3, and 6. And that long pin there is just the anti-drill bars, which would go either side. We'll just get popped back in there. I'll put that to one side for now, and we'll have a look inside this. So in 1, serrated, quite common in these GeGes. 2, standard. 3 is standard. 4 is a small serrated pin, almost like a spool pin. Serrated and a serrated. Get the springs out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Just a little retainer. Key pins, I'll have a closer look now, but I think they've got a little bit of a chamfer on, but I wouldn't have said the tapered edge key pins. These are really nice serrated pins, and then these top pins, the driver pins, they've got a little chamfer on again, but I just think that's the way they get finished in the shop. As for this, that there's all got counter milling in every single chamber bar number 1. I don't know if you can say that. So that's basically what makes these serrated pins well, it can be an absolute nightmare to pick them if you're not sure on how to read the feedback. But yeah, another lock done. A nice GeGe Pextra, I believe it's called. So thanks again, Steve Deere, and this will be on its maiden voyage for tomorrow. But as for now, thanks for watching. Include Wes's pick, because that was the beast that got it. That's the key. Enjoy some still shots of this lot. Stay tuned.